Do you love cooking for only yourself or for someone else too? Cooking for others helps bond us to our loved ones and fellow humans. It's a very intimate activity. By providing them with something they potentially need, you're really showing them that they have your support, your love, your backing, and that's the kind of thing that really promotes closeness within the relationships. So here comes one of the social media leads who use cooking to show how they love each other. It's called Megane and Miwa, owned by a Japanese couple. Who is Megane? Here he is. Megane means glasses in Japanese. Megane can always has a bright smile eating the food prepared by his wife every single day. His face tells all the stories about how delicious the food is. Then, who made and recorded everything? His wife, Miwa-chan.
見たんだけど、
うん、
なんか寿司ドーナツっていうのがあるらしくて。
寿司ドーナツご飯なん
ご飯な。
ちょっと待って Google で寿司ドーナツの作り方動画あーうわ来たうわ
いやそれで
ごくってこれ作ってみる
いいめくって。
じゃじゃーん
おお。
意外に綺麗にできと簡単やな
簡単。
Megane Miwa has 100,000 followers in Instagram and Twitter. Miwa-chan enjoys cooking for her husband and posting his meal every day, but seldom posts herself. In every of her daily posting, before listing the detailed recipe of today's dishes, Miwa will start her task from 今日も一日お疲れ様, which means thanks for hard work today. So, if you're cooking for someone, even if they're not present during the act, even if you're not showing your face in the post, it can absolutely bring a sense of closeness in that you are expressing your love and your care for someone important. Thanks for watching.